Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. If you have any questions, comments, or surplus machinery you would like to sell, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or by dialing 630-229-6705. For an up-to-date list of machines, visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com or subscribe to this channel. In addition to what is on our website, we have 50 plus machines being processed as our inventory changes daily, so check back often as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Also remember that our full inventory is located in-house and that we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Triad Ssr Cnc Smart Stair router. This is a CNC-controlled smart stair router. This is not a template machine. Operators can load 2x10 or 2x12 stringers, enter menu-driven perimeters with a state-of-the-art touchscreen monitor, and press run. The SSR does the rest. You have two heavy-duty routers that will cut the top or bottom stringer only, or both stringers simultaneously, with the specified profile. It will automatically index the material the proper distance, the appropriate number of times, and do it again and again, over and over. You can choose router bit perimeters for tapered or straight bits. You have options for wood type, stringer width, nose clearance, height of riser, width of tread. You also have the option to turn on the top or bottom router depending on if you are doing one or two stringers at a time. You can program up to 25 steps at once. You can also adjust all of the perimeters for the stair profile itself.
If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.